Okay. Today I'm going to go over some stoichiometry problems with this worksheet that I just posted on the portal today. We're going to do the mass problems first, and that's a 4-step problem. So I have my student Caitlin who's going to help me here. First thing we have to do is convert the grams to moles. Okay, Caitlin, how many grams are in a mole for C6H12O6? Do you have it there?
$180.18 grams.
Okay, we can just use whole numbers, so we'll make it easier. 180 grams. Carbon is 12 grams. There's 6 of them. There's 12 hydrogens. There's they're 1 gram each. 6 oxygens, 16 grams each. That's 96 grams. So we add up 72 grams plus 12 plus 96 is 180 grams per mole. Okay. So now we've canceled out grams. We have moles. C6H12O6. And then moles of what we're looking for. Okay. This ratio comes from the balanced equation. These are the coefficients from the balanced equation. Okay. Let's see, who should I call on? Caitlin. Or Kathy, whichever. What's the mole ratio here?
So the top would be 2 moles. And then the bottom would be 1.
Yes. That came from up here in the balanced equation. There's nothing here, so we count that as a 1. Okay, so 2 moles over 1 mole. And then, again, whatever you have here carries down to the bottom of the next fraction. Okay. All right, and then who has the number of grams in 1 mole for C2H5OH? Okay, go ahead.
46.08, or you can just use a whole number.
We'll use 46. That's 24 from the 2 carbons, 5 from the 5 hydrogens. There's another hydrogen here and an oxygen. Those will add up to 46. Okay, and then do you know how to do the math here? If you don't, it's okay.
I know the number. I'll give you my answer.
Okay, hold on. What you want to do, what are we going to be multiplying first? So once you have all the work, how do you get the answer? Okay. It's just like multiplying fractions. We have 500 times 2 times 46 is in the numerator. The denominator, you have 180. So it's going to be 500 times 2 times 46 divided by 180. And what's the?
That is 255.7 grams.
Okay. All right, so that is a 4-step mass-to-mass problem given over 1. Then it's the number of grams in 1 mole. Then we can use the mole ratio in the balanced equation to go from moles of what we were given to moles of our unknown. And then we have 1 mole of our unknown and the number of grams in 1 mole. And that will give us our so there's a sample problem and a formula for doing a grams to grams problem. That was problem A off of our worksheet, going from 500 grams of glucose to grams of ethanol. And now we're going to do also a mole to mole problem, problem C. Okay, so it says if 17.5 moles of ethanol are produced, how many moles of glucose were there in the beginning? Okay, so since we're just going from moles to moles, all we need is the mole ratio. Do you know what it is?
Is it 1/2?
Yeah, it should be 1/2. And do you have the final answer for this one?
8.75 moles. And then the formula, which is C6H12O6.
Do you have any questions or you okay?
I'm good.
Okay, good, we can stop.